Okay, if you've got a key that looks like this, it's a Toyota key. Eventually the battery dies. So the way you fix it, the way you replace it is, first of all, you got to find this little notch, stick a knife in there, and pry it open. That's the first thing you need to do. So basically, you put this right in there, you get in there, and you twist it to unlock it. See, I was able to separate it a little bit, and then you can pull the rest of it apart with your hands. May require two hands on there to pull it all apart. Alright, you don't need to take this off if you got keys on there, because you can see it just pops open. Then you've got to do something similar with this to get the battery out. See this? Well, this thing comes out. Make sure you don't push on here because these buttons will pop through. But the battery is actually encased in this thing, which also you have to pry apart using actually these little tabs. Also a knife. Get in there, a dull knife, pry it apart very gently. Alright, so once you've been able to pry enough of these off, you can see it's almost separated. You can take that top part off, and then in there is the battery. And you can see what it is. It's a CR2016 battery. Hopefully that's what I've got. I ordered these on the internet. Let's see what we've got here. That looks like it. Yeah, that's it. So we'll just swap it out and then do the reverse order to reassemble. It required a little bit of prying to get this off. This thing is like wafer thin, paper thin. So that's the end of that. Get rid of that and put the new one in. You want to make sure not to damage anything. Some of these tabs stick up. Alright, that definitely required two hands to get in there. Now that's in there snug, you can put this back on the top. It goes on pretty easy. Make sure it's all snapped into place. There we go. Then this part goes in here. Hopefully those buttons don't come loose. And then this back on top, and it snaps into place. Okay, that's it. And we're done.